Welcome back to another episode of our brewery farm life. We have spent probably the last 2 weeks kind of gearing up and getting ready for reopening and getting people back here, having a pint, enjoying the scenery, taking in the animals and the brewery and everything that this property has to offer. There was a lot of snow removal because we didn't touch it while we were in lockdown and there was really no point. And of course that's when we had all of our snow. So David spent, I would say, a good 2 days really cleaning out the beer garden and getting everything ready for you guys. I'm squinty. It's overcast, but the sun is still shining bright. I think it's reflecting off all the snow, and I can't seem to see anything. Wait till I go inside. Careful, it's slippy, Danny. Winston's buddy. Creating a fun and kind of exciting outdoor environment for people to have small groups together in is something that we're happy to offer, and I'm really excited to be able to get back to it. It's cold, yeah, but bundle up, wear your winter gear, sit outside, enjoy a pint. There's nothing wrong with it. And I think if more people were to get that idea into their heads, I think we would have a lot more fun during these kind of crazy times. I'm excited. It's going to be fun. Only 3 more to go. Whew. So things are starting to look normal again. The patio has opened. Driving a shop bike.
I need a red eye. It's cold out.
I need a latte. The start of the new bridge. Both arches are up. coffee time. So moving out of lockdown means getting everything kind of geared up and ready to go. And that's been busy. Like, we've been pretty swamped. But there's some really cool things that we've been planning, and I look forward to showing you those in the near future. Lambing's coming up. We're going to be lambing in April and May. First timer, really nervous, but I think we can make it work. I've got lots of support. Thank you very much, Sandy Brock, Mike Henderson, Natalie Vermew, who's just down the road from me, who actually we got our sheep from, but she's been really helpful. I have a really great support system. My friend Leanne is going to be coming to help lamb. I can't say good enough things about my friends and family that are willing to just pop in and help whenever necessary. So lambing, yes, nervous about it, but I know I'm going to have lots of support, so that's fine. We have a new four-legged friend coming to the farm. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you'll see. I'm hoping next month they'll be coming. So that's exciting. It's like the wall of snow is preventing them from going outside. There's a lot of snow, isn't it? We're gonna go outside? Is it time? We're gonna go outside. Yes, it's time. Yeah, I went out. And of course, brewery related, David's opened up a new business with some family members. So that's coming up, and I'll make sure I talk about that in further detail in the future, because it's quite an extensive description. So we'll kind of get into that a little bit. Lots of brew schedules that are coming up that I'm definitely going to be recording. Canning, kegging. We've got some new clientele I want to get out and talk to you guys a little bit more about. Playing around with the idea of a podcast. Let me know your thoughts on that, because I'm just not 100% sure how I feel about it yet, but definitely something that we can be talking about in the near future. Lots of different events that are coming up. Yeah, so moving out of lockdown and into orange, and now actually yellow. We're moving to yellow on Monday. Things are looking up. Part of the daily routine. Thank goodness for David for plowing this out, because I gotta go check on the bees. Because lately we've had a lot of snow, which means that their entranceway gets covered quite frequently, so they get checked quite often. Leanne from Astral Apiaries was out yesterday, and she just was listening to them with her stethoscope. Everyone sounds fine, so just got to keep the snow away from the entranceway. Fun times. Yeah, that's not good. There, all cleaned off. There were a couple of dead bees, but that's pretty normal. Just getting rid of the sick ones. The protector. Have a good day, girls. Stay healthy. Like I said, things are going back to normal, which means the kids are back in school. And I think that they all needed that. But also, Michaela's been really missing her riding lessons, and it's really nice to see her get back at it. For sure. She needed it. So that's coming up too.
I'm scared.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
You have breaks. I love you too.
Tell everybody I know that I love them.
No, other side.
Oh, yeah? Yeah? You almost got it, Winnie.
Arf dog.
Maybe attached to the log, huh?
Arf dog.
Now if I grab this end.
Arthur.
I feel one of us is going to get hurt. You got it, Arf dog? You gonna show the little guy? Oh, Winston, the old dog's getting. Oh, the old dog got it. Good job. Yep. I got a feeling you're gonna get knocked off.
I can carry that one. Whoa! Now how many do you think I can do?
Like 10. What are you drinking?
Double up. Cheers to Old Tomorrow Brewing Company.
You drinking?
Nothing.
Should know.
Thanks for tuning in again, guys. I really appreciate your support. If you like what you saw, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. We'll talk to you soon. Have a good week.